Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Guys, today we're going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1977 Dodge Ramcharger four-wheel drive truck. Killer truck, guys. I love this thing. Bought it this weekend at a show. Bought it from a guy out of Wisconsin. He built it. It's got about 300 miles on a complete frame-off restoration now, and it is killer, man. Nicest one I've ever owned. One of the nicest ones I've ever seen. Just love it. It's finished in Cadet blue metallic, B2 blue. I love the striping package. This is called the Macho. If you heard that, Macho striping package. It's got all new factory blue interior. Just killer, man. I mean, there's really not much you can really pick at on this thing. And I'll tell you what, my wife and I drove this thing, and we had a 30-minute drive from the show to get back to the hotel. And we were at Expressway, 95 degrees. And this thing drove awesome. 75 miles an hour. You know, I figured this thing would be all over the road. It drove perfect, man. Like I told her, sorry, we got a million bugs on it. We didn't get them all off, but I was shocked at the way this thing. After I called Brett, the guy bought it from the next day, and I told him, I said, man, you built a heck of a truck. New grill. I mean, he spent a ton of money building this truck. New bumpers. The fit and finish is excellent. If you've seen these trucks, you know, most of them don't fit, you know, good, and people don't spend the kind of money it takes to really build one of these trucks, you know. But just awesome. Killer truck. Tops. That's another thing. I was shocked at how quiet the top was. This is a removable soft topper. It's brand new, and it does a lot of cool stuff. This rolls up on the side. You can roll up the back window, or you can take it completely off. But you can drive down the road with basically all the sides up and the back up, and just cruise the thing. Sorry, we got a little dust on this back here. Sorry. But it was really quiet. Like I said, we were on the expressway, and it drove great. Or I'm sorry, the top wasn't real loud at all. Love this stripe on the tailgate, man. And I don't know if it's because this is open, so it lets the air out, but it was really quiet driving down the road. Look how nice that thing is down the sides. New BF Goodrich All Terrain TAs all the way around it. I love the powder-coated white wagon wheels on it. Yeah, I just figured when we jumped in this thing that, you know, it was going to be a rough ride. And like I say, we were on the expressway. I had one hand out the window, two fingers on the wheel, just rolling. Matter of fact, at one time I showed my wife, I let go of the steering wheel. I said, man, look how this thing drives. And he just completed it, he said, about a year ago. The only reason he sold it, he said he's got 10 cars. He said that there's 200 miles on this thing. He said he just doesn't drive it. Let me tell you something, man. I'm tickled to have it. This thing is killer. 360 cubic inch engine, Edelbrock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. Again, it's 4-wheel drive. Electronic ignition, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans, factory jack is in here. It's actually mounted down here. But look how nice this thing is. I mean, turn the key, take it right to a car show. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. There's your original body tag for the car. He said he thinks it does have a shift kit because it shifts pretty stout. Truck. He's upgraded the shocks on it. I think they're Rancho shocks. I think that's what he said. but it is just killer. Dual chrome mirrors, body is excellent on it. And even you look at this kind of stuff, I mean, it's just, you did a great job. Nobody spends the kind of money to do this stuff. That's the thing that people don't understand. You know, when you're building something and people cut corners and stuff like that, this guy just built a killer truck. And he said he had a ton of money in it. These look like the original door handles. It's only showing 40-some thousand. Another original door tag. It's only showing 40-some thousand miles. Little dirty hands on there. Sorry guys, we're putting that off. New door pads, and that's supposed to be the right miles. But like he said, there's 200 miles maybe on it. My wife and I definitely probably put 100 miles on it this weekend while we were driving. I've ordered new floor mats for it. All new interior. There's something you can pick. Looks like it's got the original armrest on it. Console's nice. Gauges, you can tell he's redone all. Yeah, 46,000. I think that's supposed to be original. Radio delete truck, blower motor works, interior light works. I mean, look how nice it's all painted up there on that firewall. These vents work, which is nice when it's 95 degrees and you don't have the top. We had the top all down. But we opened the vents, man, got us a nice cool breeze on us. Dual exhaust. I think I showed you. Sorry guys, I'm getting ahead of myself a little bit. Again, another original door tag. Dual exhaust, stock rear axles. I think he said they're 321 gears. And like I say, everywhere you look, this thing is slick. Jacks in the engine compartment. There's your spare. You can see how nice this stuff is in here. These are the floor mats. I hate, or I'm sorry, not floor mats, mud flaps. I hate mud flaps, guys. They'll go with it. They will not be on it while I have it. Maybe you want to shut this thing. When you go to shut this top, it's a little bit of a two-man operation because you don't want to catch that in there. Everything opens and closes nice. I mean, the thing's just clean. The floors are nice on the truck. Just as slick as can be. Again, the floor mats are on the way. Shout out to Don at AAC. Gets me all my floor mats. This actually does flip forward, but it's hard to do one-handed, guys. There's your back seat. And again, if you want to take that top totally off, you can. Or like I say, it comes down and it comes out and you can run up the sides, the back. Runs as sweet as can be, guys. Little belt squeak on your alternator there. I mean, just drove out outstanding. Love the color. With that striping package, I just think it's so cool. Gauges all work, blower motor works. You can see it's holding good oil pressure. Didn't do bad on mileage. I had 3/4 of a tank, and like I say, we probably put 100 miles on it. It's just under half. Blower motor work, interior lights, all your lights and stuff work. You can see the doors open and close real nice. Exhaust is pretty calm too. Oh shoot, sorry, I opened this door too early. Or closed it too early. Well, there's not really anything to show you in here because there's no, like I say, the blower motor did work. There's no radio, it's the radio delete. It wasn't super loud either going down the road. It with the exhaust. And I know the horn works. I had to blow it at a guy. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that on our website, southernmotors.com. You can also keep track of us on our social media on Facebook, Instagram. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little red button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.